Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome to today's video. I am doing a St. Patrick's Day video for you guys and it's on this look right here, and I think it turned out really good. I did not expect it to turn out like this, and I think it's pretty good. Pat myself on the back. So yeah, I think it turned out so much better than I expected and anticipated. So yeah, this is what I will be wearing on St. Patrick's Day, probably to work because I don't really go anywhere else. I tried to do a cut crease, which I pretty much accomplished, except since my eyelids are hooded, I don't know, it blended in with each other. I'm still working out the little details in a cut crease for hooded eyelids. It's really hard to do. So yeah. Anyways, I think it turned out really good. I used a lot of different products because I have greens in different palettes. I have 4 different palettes here and I used every single one in this tutorial. So yeah, there's no one palette to this video. It's definitely a multitude of palettes and products and brushes and things, and just trial and error, because some of the colors just didn't want to blend and some of them just didn't want to show up. So it was really just trial and error and see what worked and what didn't. But I really hope that you guys like the video. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this St. Patrick's Day eye look right here, then just keep on watching the video. Let's go.
Hey guys, so I'm starting off with my primer. This is from e.l.f. This is the Poreless Face Primer. And then I'm going in with this new foundation from the company Flower that Drew Barrymore created. And to be completely honest, I think that this foundation kind of sucks. So I would not recommend this. But I'm just using my beauty blender to put that all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with concealer, and this is by Wet n Wild. I'm using that under my eyes and then to highlight a little bit in the center of my face. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows, and this is just with the Benefit Dip Brow, if that's what that's called. And I'm just using a regular flat brush for that. Then I'm going to take my concealer and just kind of, fix up any problem areas that I had for my eyebrows with a flat concealer brush. And then I'm just going to set them with some clear brow gel. And then I'm going to go in with some loose face powder. This is by Rimmel, and I'm just putting that under my eyes and the center of my face just to kind of bake a little bit. And then I'm going in with eyeshadow primer by Maybelline, putting that all over my eyelids. And then with this Kat Von D eyeshadow palette in Sage, I'm going in with the lightest color to set my eyeshadow primer. Then going in with the Anastasia Subculture palette, I'm using one of the green shades in there as a transition shade in my crease. And excuse the coughing if you hear my mom. She's coughing a lot. I'm going back in with the Subculture palette and going in with the darker green color there on the outer corner and into the crease. Then I'm just taking a clean blender brush and just blending the top of that out so it's not so harsh. Going in with the Kat Von D shadow palette in Sage again, just using that green in there and going over top of the other green that I had. And then another clean brush just to blend everything out. And then I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just take a concealer brush, a smaller concealer brush, and cut my crease. I did the best that I could here since my eyelids are hooded, it's a little bit difficult for me to do that. But then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Electric palette with that shimmery green color and putting that all over my eyelids where I cut the crease. And then I'm going to go in with this Too Faced palette and just use that dark shimmer green just to kind of make the transition between the dark matte color and the shimmery light green color look a little bit more effortless, and just a plain white highlight color under the brow bone and a shimmer highlight for the center of the eye. Then I'm just going to wipe off the extra powder and go in with my pressed powder for the rest of my face. I'm going to finish up the eyes, going under the eye with the dark green from the Subculture palette, and then some winged eyeliner. And yes, my winged eyeliner, one is going one direction and the other one is going the completely opposite direction. I am still working on getting my winged eyeliner to look decent. And there you go, I put my false eyelashes on, and then I'm going into contour with my Anastasia palette. I'm going in with this Buxom blush. This is a nice pinky color just over my cheeks. And then my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector highlighter on the highlighting cheekbones and down the center of my nose. Then I'm just setting everything with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And this lipstick that I got at Walmart, not sure of the brand off the top of my head, but it's just a nice neutral color since the eyes are so bright and bold. Just blending everything out, making the final touches, and there you go. That is the completed look.
So I hope that you enjoyed that video and got some inspiration for St. Patrick's Day this year. And yeah, let me know down in the comments how you guys are going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day this year. My family doesn't usually celebrate St. Patrick's Day for some reasons in my family. But I want to know how you guys usually celebrate St. Patrick's Day in case one year I want to go out and celebrate. But yeah, let me know down in the comments how you guys celebrate St. Patrick's Day. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button on your screen and the little notification bell to get notified of more videos coming on my channel. And if you guys have any suggestions on any videos that you want me to do, let me know down in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!